Hi, I'm Mina for Blue White, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how to replace the bladder in the pulsation dampener. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to replace the bladder in the 10 cubic inch pulsation dampener. A pulsation dampener protects the piping system from damaging effects of pressure variation and significantly improves the efficiency of transferring liquids by diaphragm pumps. Pulsation dampeners require very little maintenance. There is one wear part, the elastomer bladder, or PTFE bellows. Typically, these bladders will need to be replaced every other year. Of course, wear is dependent on many factors including material, temperature, chemical fluid abrasiveness, and system design. Suggested maintenance may need to be adjusted to your specific application. You'll need Kit PDV, which includes a bladder for FKM applications, or Kit PDE, which includes a bladder for EP applications. But before we replace the bladder, it's essential to practice safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working on the skid. Some other items we recommend are a wrench, soapy water, and a rag. Safety tip: be sure to relieve pressure in the dampener before performing any maintenance. Also, always flush the chemical lines with water before performing any maintenance. To replace the bladder in the pulsation dampener, begin by removing the pulsation dampener from the skid system. Mark the underside with a marker to ensure proper tightening when reassembling. Check that the pulsation dampener has been relieved of pressure. Unscrew the top of the pulsation dampener. A wrench or vise may be used. Remove the old bladder. Clean and inspect the interior of the pulsation dampener. Apply a soapy solution as a lubricant. Install new bladder. Ensure that the new bladder is properly seated. Install the top of the pulsation dampener by hand tightening it. Install the pulsation dampener back into the skid system. Pre-charge the pulsation dampener to 80% of system pressure. Refer to the pulsation dampener instruction manual for final adjustments. And that's how to replace the bladder in the pulsation dampener. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For more information, please visit blue-white.com.